tubal factors of infertility. Now, tubal factors of infertility constitutes around 25 to 30% of female factor. It is also one of the major reasons for doing IVF. Now, how it comes into picture. So, most of the times we have seen patients coming with an HSG report saying the tubes are blocked, or they have done a laparoscopy outside and it says the tubes are blocked, or dye test is negative. Now, why does it happen? The major reason for tube getting blocked is infections. It also depends upon the number and severity of infection. So, more the episodes and more the severity of infection, more is the chance that your tube got damaged severely. Another major reason, and India being one of the major endemic countries, is genital tuberculosis. The third important cause is endometriosis. And apart from that, previous tubal surgery, fibroid, everything can lead to tubal blockages. Now, how do we deal with it? There are two options. Either we go for reconstructive surgery or we go for IVF. Now, with the expertise in reconstructive surgery decreasing by day, IVF is coming into picture. Why? Because IVF is nowadays becoming more affordable and is giving a huge success rate as compared to reconstructive surgery. You can also go for mini IVF or low cost IVF for patients as per their convenience or as per their affordability.